Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to begin with listening for beginning sounds. So I will say two words, you repeat the words, and then give me a thumbs up if they begin with the same sound, or a thumbs down if they do not begin with the same sound. Here we go. Queen, quiet. Round, rich. Say, tell. Type, take. Very, vase. Yellow, blue. Zebra, zoo. Do, bin. Find, fish. Goat, pony. Good job. All right, get your choppers ready. I'm going to chop the onset and rhyme, then you will chop it, and then together we will swipe the word. Here we go. In, win, ip, dip, it, kit, ix, six, im, rim, ox, box, ought, caught, rock, rock, job, job, og, fog. Good. All right, we're going to slide and then punch out our ending sound. Here we go. The word is knob. Knob. The word is food. Food. The word is tough. Tough. The word is bag. Bag. The word is large. Large. The word is cake. Cake. The word is sell. Sell. The word is mom. Mom. The word is ran. Ran. The word is hop. Hop. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment for onset and rhyme. So I will say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we'll chop the onset and the rhyme together. Here we go. Pack. P-ack. Wag. W-ag. Ram. R-am. Mad. M-add. Wax. W-ax. Lick. L-ick. Kid. K-id. Jig. J-ig. Pill. P-ill. Him. Im. Good job. Now we're going to substitute beginning sounds. So we'll get our fists out, ready to go. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is bill. Change b to f. Fill. The word is fill. Change f to p. Pill. The word is pill. Change p to w. Will. The word is will. Change w to m. mill. The word is mill. Change to g. Gill. The word is not. Change to p. Pot. The word is pot. Change p to t. Tot. The word is tot. Change t to h. Hot. The word is hot. Change h to g. Got. The word is got. Change g to d. Dot. Good job. Okay, we're going to add beginning sounds to our rhyme. So we'll add the onset. The word is ugh. Add b to the beginning. Bug. The word is ugh. Add d to the beginning. Dug. The word is ugh. Add h to the beginning. Hug. The word is ugh. Add to the beginning. Mug. The word is ugh. Add t to the beginning. Tug. Good job. Last exercise, we're going to delete beginning sounds. The word is nap. Without n, the word is app. The word is pit. Without p, the word is it. The word is log. Without l, the word is og. The word is cut. Without k, the word is ut. The word is meg. Without the word is egg. Good job. Don't forget to go practice your poem for today.